Yeah, hello everybody. So today in this video I want to discuss 4.1 problems. So the first problem is like this, means fourth problem, because in my previous video I discussed up to third problem. So now I'm going to do this fourth problem, which is of 3 by 3 order. The previous problems are 2 by 2 problems. Okay, so A is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Then show that ST is nothing but show that determinant of 3A is equals to 27 determinant of A. In my previous video I told you that so determinant of, for example, KA is equal to so K power n determinant of A, where n is order. This is the principle actually. So my dear students, you keep in mind, this is the formula. This is a formula you keep in mind. Based on this, so 3A is equals to 3 power 3, because third order, it is 3 by 3 order. So this value 3 by 3 means 3 power 3 means it is 27 determinant of A. This is correct only, but we should check it out. Okay, so first we should multiply this scalar multiplication of 3A. So 3A I am doing, which is 3 as it is. So it is 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Multiply with 3. Multiply with 3 means each and every row and every column element must be multiplied by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 0 0, 3 ones are 3. Next 3 0 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Next this value is 3 0 0, 3 0 0, 3 fours are 12. This is 3A. Now we need to find out determinant of 3A. Determinant of 3A means we should write like this. So it is 3 0 3 0 3 6, and it is 0, it is 0, it is 12. Okay, so I told you that this determinant we can find out by using either rows or column, either first row or second row or third row, either first column or second column or third column. So depending on in which row if you apply, you will get easily. So see, in first row we are having two elements, two non-zero elements. Here also two non-zero elements. Okay, so this third row we are having only one non-zero. So rather than doing first row, third row is easy. Otherwise this column, first column, so do first column or third row, you will get easily calculations. Okay, so that is determinant of 3A is equal to, I am doing by first column. I am doing by first column. So first column means it is 3 as it is. Okay, 3 means this row, this column is cancelled. This row, this column is cancelled. So 3 12s are 12 3s are 36 minus 0 into 6. This value is 0. Okay, so as per triangle form, so I am taking row. So here it is 0. Here it is 0. So 0 into something, this value is okay. Do by 0. 0 means this column, this row cancel. This column, this row cancel means only 0 3 0 12. 0 12s are 0 minus 0 3s are 0 cancel, plus I am doing by column. So 0 into, so this row, this column cancel. 0 3 3 6, 0 6 are 0 minus 3 3s are 9. No problem, which implies 3 into this value is 36 minus 0 means as it is. 0 into it is 0 plus 0 into it is minus 9. It is clear. So 3 into 36 I am writing minus 0. This is 0 into something is 0. Okay, ultimately 3 36 are okay. 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. It is 108. So this value is omitted. This value is omitted. So ultimately what is the value? So determinant of 3A is equal to 108. Determinant of 3A is equals to 108. Okay, this you consider as equation number 1. Okay, next we have to do, so next we need to find out 27 into determinant of A. To find 27 into determinant of A, first we need to find out determinant of A. Determinant of A means, here I am writing 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Okay, so do either by column or row. Here also same column, it is very easy. So 1 into this column, this row cancel. 1 into 4, it is 4. 0 into 2 minus 0. Try to understand. This column, this row cancel. 1 2 0 4 left. AD minus BC barabar. Abhi this one minus 0 I am doing. Minus 0 I am doing. Okay, because it is diagonal parts. It is diagonal parts. Right, 0 into, so this row, this column cancel. 0 1 0 4 left. 0 into 4. 0 into 4. 0 minus 0 into 1. 0 plus 0 into. So this row, this column cancel. 0 1 1 2 left. 0 into 2 0 minus 1 into 1 1. No problem. So it is 1 into 4 minus 0. So plus 0 into minus 1, which implies this value is 4 minus 0 minus 0. Ultimately this value is only 4. This is only for determinant of A. Clear? Next we need to find out 27 into determinant of A. So 27 as it is, determinant of A value is how much? 4. So this value is 4 7s are 28, 2, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. This is equation number 2. Try to consider from equation number 1 and equation number 2. What can you consider or what can you observe? So determinant of 3A, which is equals to, so 27 into determinant of A, is it? So this is the solution for this problem. Okay, so here it is, determinant of 3A is equal to 27 determinant of